In this video, I am going to explain you how to extract survey data or latitude, longitude from existing Civil 3D file and using it in OpenRoad as a survey data. So first of all, I am opening existing file of Civil 3D. Just wait, taking some time, and after it I will use in OpenRoad as a survey data for making plan and profile from OpenRoad. First of all, I extract data from Civil 3D existing file. This is my Civil 3D plan and profile. You can see here this is a plan and this one is the profile. Of Civil 3D file. Here is the new road level existing general ground level file and their values are also here. I am just going to extract survey data from this file for using in OpenRoad. First of all, I will click in Prospector, go to the point, click on Export. See, after clicking on point, you will get the point detail here, point number, easting, northing and point level. So in this manner I have to take the format because the format is in this manner, point, easting, northing and z. So I will use this format and after that click on OK. I am saving it in desktop as in text. I will save point data or survey data in text format because in OpenRoad I need in text format. Otherwise, if I have to use in Civil 3D, then the format will be in CSV format. But I am using this survey data in OpenRoad, so I will save in text format. You can also use by Control A, selecting all and copying to clipboard and just opening Excel sheet by selecting Control and A, selecting all, copying to clipboard and open an Excel sheet and just paste there. In this way you can also extract survey data, but I used another method. Now minimize this Civil 3D. See, it's saved in text format. Here is the my survey data. 7395 is the point number. This one is the northing. This one is the easting, and this one is the elevation. I have three things in this one, and in some of the survey data there is also a description after elevation. Then that will be denoted by D. It means P N E Z D, but this one is the P E N Z. Now I am going to open OpenRoad Designer Connect Edition. Just click on New First of all, browse Civil 3D, open, mention file name, save. It's loading, it taking some time. After complete loading, just go open roads modeling, click on home page, go to the explorer, and after clicking here, go to the survey, click here, double left click, again double left click, again double left click. After clicking on new field book 1, import file using text import wizard, click here, click on field book, click on new. After creating file field book, click on right click and click on import. Use the option file using text import wizard. Go to the desktop where I have saved the file. This one is the file. Open it. See, this one is in text format, so it's open. After that, it's non-uniform. Then you, if it's not in uniform, then you have to use option non-uniform. But it's in uniform, so I used uniform. Use delimited. Click on next. Select comma. See, all separated because it's all separated by comma, so I will select here comma. If it's separated by tab, then I will use this one or a space, but it's separated by comma, so I use comma. And after that, click on next. Mention everything. It's point name, it's northing, so mention here. It's easting, you have to mention. And this one is elevation, and finish. It's mentioning to create TIW file, but we do not need this one, so I will use option no. It's loading. We have to wait for some time. It's taking time because the survey data is in very large. See here, the in text format it's approx 1 MB, so it's taking time. Very large survey data sizes. So it's loaded. Here is the all points. In infra work, it's also saved in this manner, connecting all the point together, and in open road, same way. Now I will save this file. please watch more video for making plan and profile from our channel, and please also subscribe and comment if you have any problem. I will give you this file and point data survey data to you. If you need this one, comment in, and I will also attach downloading link in description box. Thank you for watching this video.